line every time. Shawty wanna do it in the north. Shawty.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're hitting Bears and Gears in Charlotte. It's been a minute since they've hosted that though. Definitely check out my last video right here in the cards to see a Boysteiner Huracan tear up the city of Charlotte. But yo, let's hit the road. So we just took a quick stop right here at Circle K to meet up with some more buddies. As you can see, we have an array of supercars. So many GTRs, man. Oh my goodness, twin turbo. But we are getting ready to head on out. This is gonna be insane. We got Silver boys coming through. Oh, peep it though. Super boys. Look what I smell. Freaking R32. Oh my. That's fire. Sheesh. McLeasy boys. Look at this F80 M3, clean as hell, crispy. Gold boys, I'm loving it. RS7 in this nasty blue. Look at the lime green calipers on that, man. All-wheel drive powerhouse right here. This thing is a beast. Only coming through in the suit. Ooh, clean BMW boys. We got a Velosa too. Lotus Esprit boys. Oh my goodness. RAV10 pulling through. That thing is crisp. Look at this Beamer though. Crazy. Type 42 R8 looking crispy. Oh my. That's beautiful. Look at that bronze color too, man. Clean ass E90 M3 LS swapped S2K boys. FDRX7. Oh man, you hear the little spoolie boys on there, man? Lukey Pookie. What's up, bro? GTR gang. Of course. And another S2K. Looking crispy. Ooh. That man J-Rod right there. Yes, sir, skis. Look at this S14 though. Crispy. 370 with the dual intakes. Looking tasty though. Absolutely maniacal. But check out this C7 coming through. Oh. That's disgusting. 570S right here. Looking absolutely crispy. Look at that wing. That thing is so crazy. Woo. Oh. That's disgusting. Oh my God. But look at this SVJ though. Oh my. That's crisp. The V12 screams so mad. Beamer boys coming in full effect. Look at that M2 though. Wild. But you gotta respect this little whip too, man. That's crispy, sir. Very nice. Plaid boys rolling through. Absolutely wild. Peep this F8 Tributo looking absolutely crazy. That thing is beautiful, man. Wow. Ooh. SVJ boys. Homie Joe. Absolutely crazy. Get the 488 Pistas looking absolutely beautiful. We've got Porsche boys coming through. We've got AMG boys coming through. We've got some more Lotus Elise boys. Of course, Fox Body Stangs. Oh my. More Beamer boys coming through. Mercedes. Oh. SVJ looking so freaking crisp. That is so wild. Oh! Huracan Evo pulling through. Absolutely wild. Loving that purple. And then, of course, we've got the 488. F12 boys. That thing is so crisp. This G82 M4 though, that thing is so damn clean, man. Look at this, bro. And peep the stance on that. 0 wheel gap. I love it, man.
Thank you.
612 horsepower coming from a badass 4.0 liter V8 in the McLaren GTs. These things are so nice, man. Absolutely crazy. The 8080 Huracan looking crispy, very nice. But of course, we've got Gallardo right here. Absolutely beautiful. Peep that little thing. But then, can't forget the 458s as well. Looking tasty too. This thing is absolutely wild. Look at the wide body on this, man. Wow. That is crazy, man. Beautiful vehicle right there. Peep this Audi boy. Loving the call on that, my guy. So much. That's beautiful. Wow. Matte black 488 with the bronze wheels. Oh my god. The Spides looking crazy. Evo boys. Oh my. I'll let you 90 F3. crazy. Durango Hellcat right here. Absolutely maniacal. Loving the grain on that thing too, man. 911 GT3 pulling through. God, that thing is beautiful, man. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at that. Wow. We got the McCleasy pulling out too. Wowzers. See you, man.
See you, my friend.
See you, brother. Thing is so nice. That's disgusting.
That's way too nice.
It's only a 2J though. Oh my god. But P, this RS3 though, man, you gotta respect it, dog. Absolutely, 100%. Oh, okay, two-step it for the one time, Got another sick Huracan coming through. That thing is so damn crispy, man. Oh, listen to that thing. Gotta love the sound of a V10, people. But this GTR though, that thing is looking absolutely wild. Oh, Sissio too. Gotta love it. Oh. Another 488 Pista, absolutely beautiful Ferrari right here. Definitely one of my dream Ferraris. Loving the carbon fiber right here in the front bumper. But that hood is absolutely to die for too. I mean, just look at that, dude. Like, talk about aero, right? Oh. Boys, looking tasty. Oh my. Gotta love a Lambo truck. Honestly, that thing is so fat. Beers and Gears was absolutely amazing, especially since it's been a while since they hosted. Can't really complain though. Had tons of fun per usual. Definitely check out some TunerGodz merch right down below if you haven't already. But yo, we're about to wrap this up right here. So you already know, peace, love, sleep and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because of Saze Vlogs.
I say, fling it back, man.